Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a very playful, colorful Bratz inspired look. Around Halloween time I saw a lot of creators doing Bratz inspired looks, and I actually did a Bratz inspired look, but I wanted to make this one something more modern, I guess, and not too dramatic. I say that as I created a really dramatic look. Something not too cartoony, I guess. So this is kind of like a spin on a Bratz look that I would wear, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. It was really fun to do, and I really like these little hearts that I put on, so I hope you guys do too. Okay, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this top shade right here as a transition color. I'm going to get a fluffy brush like this, and then dip it in, and just do very lightly above the crease. Okay, then I'm going to go back into the palette and then get this hot pink shade right here. And then I'm just using a brush kind of like this, pretty dense, so it's going to help you get more color. And then just go in the crease. And then just try packing on the color. And then you're going to blend the outer edges of that pink. Then I'm going to go in with the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Palace. I'm going to get this color right here, Bori. And I'm going to use my same brush. And it's just like a more intense pink, so I'm going to go in with that in my crease. Get your blending brush and then blend that out. Just the outer edges. And then just dragging it out along the edge just a little bit, just to elongate the eyes. Okay, after that then, I'm cutting my crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. Then for the lid, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics 88 palette, and I'm going to get this shade right here. Then just to make sure that that line is really crisp, I'm going to get a really small detailed brush like this. And then I'm going to dip it into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to get the shade Mally, this one right here. I'm going to go in and then get as close to the line as possible without connecting to the pink. And I'm just going to bring that color and put it all over the lid as well. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my darker color. I'm going to go back into the Masquerade palette and get the color Zobo. This one right here. And I'm going to go in to the outer corner and start blending that in. And I'm going to blend that out using my blending brush. Just the outer edges. And I'm going to blend the green in a little bit more. Then I'm going to go back into the Take Me Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here just to further deepen this outer corner. And then blend. Then I'm going to take this color right here on the same palette, deepen that a little bit more. Then I'm going to blend out these outer corners a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to take my liner. I'm using the Kat Von B tattoo liner. And then I'm just going to create a wing. And then I'm going to extend this line to create kind of like a cat eye in the inner corner. Alright, then I'm going to take some mascara. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm not going to put too much color. I'm just going to go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette and then get this shade right here. And then smudge a little bit of that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to clean up this outer edge right here next to my eyeliner. Just with some concealer. Okay, after I finish everything, then I'm going to do my favorite part right before doing my lashes. I'm going to get these little iridescent glitter shapes. I got these from Michael's, so you can get these from probably any of your local craft store. But I'm just going to get these little ones right here. They're purple and they have like an iridescence to them, like a reflect. So I'm going to use those. To stick them on, I'm just going to use some glitter glue. I'm using the e.l.f. glitter primer. It's like this. It's not too liquidy, which I like. If it's too liquidy, I find that it tends to travel along your eye. I like to see it stay put. Okay, to apply the glue, I'm just gonna take a little detail brush just like this, and then I'm gonna place 4 hearts along my eye. So I'm gonna place the first one here. Then let that dry for a few seconds, and then grab a little iridescent heart. I'm just using my finger to grab them. Like if you just press hard on them, they'll just kind of stick to your finger. And then I'm gonna do that, and then stick it right on the glue. And then kind of position it the way you want, and then press it in. Alright, first one is on. Then I'm gonna do that 3 more times along the top of my crease. Alright, just like that, and then I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, the hearts are done. They're so cute. I like that they kind of blend in with the eyeshadow, but then as soon as they catch the light, you can see the reflex of the green. So cute. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies. These are the Fiona style from Smoove Gal. Alright, lashes are on, and then I'm going to go and do blush and highlight. Alright, so I applied a little bit of bronzer. For bronzer, I use the Anastasia bronzer in Rich Amber. Looks like that. I just did like a light flush everywhere around my face. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush and glisten. Looks like that. And then I'm just going to do that to the apple of my cheeks. And honestly, for this look, you're probably going to want to do a little bit more dramatic blush, since this is like a Bratz dolly, really cute makeup. And then I'm going to do the tip of my nose. Alrighty, just like that. And then I'm going to go in with highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Anastasia Nicole Guerriero palette. And then I'm going to use this white one right here. It's called Forever Lit. Just use a really bright highlight for this because you want your skin to really like pop. But before I do that, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray that all over my face. That way the highlight has something to stick on. Then I'm going to go above my brow bone. And then bring it to my temples as well. Alright, then I'm going to get some on my finger and apply it to the tip of my nose. I'm going to get some more and then put it right here at the top of my bridge. And then drag it down a little bit. Then I'm going to get my brush again, put some in the middle of my forehead, just a little bit. Same thing with my chin, my cupid's bow. Then I'm going to get my pinky. I always find that using my fingers for highlight like gets the best pigment out of it. But I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye right here. Then I'm going to get in a shader brush just like this. And then use that for my brow bone here. Alright, so we're done with highlight. Then I'm going to do lips. We're doing the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Madison. It's like a magenta color. Then I'm just going to get a little bit of highlight and put that in the middle of my bottom lip. And then the cupid's bow. Just like that. Alright, and then with that you are finished. I'm going to finish my hair and then finish my look, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that is the look. I curled my hair, I did some cute stuff. I really love doing colorful looks like this. It's like my favorite thing. So I'm definitely going to be doing more of these. Let me know down below what's the next video I should do. I'm definitely going to do a K-pop look next. I kind of want to do intervals of K-pop and then other looks. Let me know which one I should do down below. I'm still taking into account the comments from my last video, and I'm going to add all those up and then see who's the winner. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. I always forget to say that, but don't forget to subscribe. Like, it means a lot to me, and it means that I know that I have you guys support and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.